very warm welcome to one and all. I'm Dr. Isha Narula, Assistant Professor, Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, Pitampura, Delhi. I have developed a customized course for you all titled Personalized Financial Planning through Optimized Portfolio Management. So, before giving the introduction of the subject or the course, I would like to introduce you with the subject or the topic financial planning. So, what is financial planning? Financial planning is nothing but planning for your future, to safeguard your future. You may have many plans in future. Maybe you want to buy a house, maybe you want to have funds for your children, for their education, maybe for your marriage. So, for all that, you may save money, but that money may not be useful in future if you are not matching it up with the inflation or other factors in the environment which may occur in future. So our course is going to help you to understand how you can do your financial planning considering the market situations and how you can cope up with the uncertain situations of the market, right? Now the second term of the course says optimize portfolio management. So when we say portfolio is nothing but a combination of different securities where you want to invest your money. So there is a very famous saying in finance that says, do not put all your eggs in one basket, right? So portfolio says the same, that do not put all your money in one investment. So when we add the term optimized with portfolio, it means when you are making a portfolio, you are not making it blindly, but you are taking proper decisions. You are, considering and analyzing the situations, and then only you are putting your money in the market. So first of all, let me explain you for whom this course is beneficial. So the good news is this course can be used by anybody. It is a learning process. It can be used by an undergraduate student, maybe a postgrad student, CFAs, CAs, or anybody who is working in financial team, and not even those who are working in financial teams, but also for those who want to do financial planning for their own self, right? So maybe you are at the age of 30, 35, 40, even 50 also. If you want to develop, a skill set where you want to learn how you can grow your money. So important is not to make money, but to grow your money. Because after a certain age, people may not be able to work that much what they are doing right now in their 20s, in their 30s. But after 50s, what you will do if your money will not grow at its own? So our course is going to help you to understand that after a certain time, you may not have to work very hard like you're working right now. You can earn money simply by sitting at your home. So this course is a combination of understanding the personal needs of a person and how your personal needs can match with your portfolio management theory. In very simple terms, this course will help you to understand your future needs and how you can fulfill them, right? And one of the major concepts this course will help you to understand is a trade-off between risk and return. What amount of risk one should take if they want to earn a certain amount of return. It will also brief you about the terms tax harvesting, how you can do smart planning, how you can save your taxes, and how you can save money for your future, right? It will also cover topics like CAPM and how you can, professionally invest in stock market, the techniques, fundamental techniques, technical techniques, which will help you to understand market scenarios at different point of times, right? So this course is helpful for anybody who is willing to invest in market and who is willing to save their money and who is willing to grow their money. I would not say only saving money, but also growing money. So our purpose is not saving, our purpose is growing and match with future inflation, with future needs, right? So this is the purpose of our course. So we have planned a 6 weeks course where at the end of each week you will be given an MCQ assignment, and at the end of the course you will be asked for an examination, and after clearing the examination you will be given the certificate. I would say that our course is not only a learning experience, but it is also about doing experiments, investing in stock market on the basis of the techniques which we will be discussing in our course. And good thing is we are not only dealing with the techniques through which we can invest in market, but we also deal with investment biases, investment behavior, which may affect you while making choices. So we deal with that part of human aspect as well. So I can say in very simple word that this is a 360-degree course which deals with three aspects of investment. One is your personal goals, your financial planning. Second is market, where you can invest, different investment venues, and how you can create your strategies to invest in market. And third is the biases which may affect your decision making capability. So this is a 360-degree course which help you to understand your financial planning through optimized portfolio management. So hope to see you all in our course, and happy learning. I hope all of us will learn together, grow together, and thank you so much.